In the morning, clouds of steam condense into fragile white frost flowers on the moss along the banks of the thermal spring river. The large areas of wormwood are also covered with frost. There are at least 4 thermal spring rivers around the ice sheet. In winter, they are the key source of water for animals. They also bear witnesses to ancient volcanic activities. Seen from the sky, the rolling ice sheet surrounded by mountains is like a huge white quilt. Gusts of wind blow snow into the gullies. The imposing-looking ice tongue is more than 800 meters wide as it reaches down towards the valleys. To the southwest stands a black hill. It is as hard as a nail, with a curious heart-shaped pattern traced out by ice and snow. The glacier ice, made of compressed snow, is gradually eroded by the meltwater, carving out gullies and caves. Here, the meltwater has even carved a giant spiral passage within a body of ice. The passage is 4 meters wide and 8 meters high. The ancient and pure blue ice looks glorious for its thousands of years of age. It is like the entrance to some phantasmagorical palace. The huge cross-section of the end of the glacier is nearly 100 meters high. The ice wall, with its clear veins, is like a book handed down from heaven and written by time. It conveys so much of the information about the environment in which the glacier was formed. It is less than 200 kilometers from the source of the Yangtze River, but it's a nearly barren wasteland with a forbidding environment. Scientific teams didn't manage to explore here until 1999. Every new step here advances our knowledge. Until September 1999, it wasn't known that Puruogangri is the largest ice sheet in the mid and low latitude regions of the world. The average altitude is over 6,000 meters. There is a flat area in each of the middle, eastern, and southern sections of the ice sheet. Its total area is 423 square kilometers. When scientists measured the thickness of the ice sheet, they found it exceeded the maximum value of their instruments. From this, they estimated that at its thickest part, the ice sheet must be over 400 meters deep.